Diamond deposit, Yamashita treasure sign. Aside from gold bars, the Japanese Imperial Army had also hidden a lot of precious gems and jewelries, particularly diamonds. But unlike gold bars, golden Buddha, or items with large sizes, diamond deposits do not take too much space. This is the reason why the Japanese Imperial Army had commonly hid diamond treasure deposits inside rocks and concretes. The good thing about it is that most of these rocks and concretes are not buried deep under the ground, but they are simply out on the surface. However, they are not easy to be spotted, even if you have a metal detector. Why? This topic is covered on a separate video. As a treasure hunter, majority of my encounters with diamond hidden deposit were on places with water sources. Such places include old creeks, waterfalls, and rivers. Probably, the reason is because these places have a lot of huge and hard rocks that the Japanese Imperial Army had used. When it comes to the Yamashita treasure signs that have something to do with hidden diamond deposits, you will notice that majority of the signs have the 7-like symbol on them. What is shown on your screen is a sign for diamond treasure deposit. As you can see, the 7 symbol here represent the item, which is in the form of diamonds. Here are more Yamashita treasure signs, consisting of the 7 symbol, that has something to do with jewelries. Take note, jewelry deposits may include diamonds, silver coins, and gold coins. Jewelry's deposit. On this Yamashita treasure sign, the 7 symbol clearly indicate the hidden items as jewelries. Golden Buddha and jewel deposit. This Yamashita treasure sign is an interesting one. The first symbol from the left is commonly viewed by many as similar to the number 8. It really has nothing to do with the number 8, because this is a sign, which is a human figure, that consists of the head and its body. Anyway, this sign represents the golden Buddha deposit. Next to this symbol is the 7-like symbol, which indicate the presence of jewelries, which are in addition to the golden Buddha deposit. Jewelries. How about this Yamashita treasure sign? What do you notice? If you look closely, it is composed of 2 7-like symbols. Perhaps we can describe it as 777. Since this sign has 2 7-like symbols, it is putting a lot of emphasis on the hidden item, which purely consists of jewelries. Jewelries and money. As you can see on this Yamashita treasure sign, there is again the 777-like symbol, but with the addition of a small oblong-shaped symbol on its right side. The 777-like symbol has the same exact meaning as the previous sign that is shown. While the oblong-shaped symbol on its right denotes money deposits. You might already have a copy of your own Yamashita treasure signs or codes on your hands that you got from somewhere else around. As you browse them, you will notice that there are many other signs with 7 like symbols with meanings that have nothing to do with jewelries or diamond deposits. Let's have a few examples of these signs. Treasure under deposit. This 7KD Yamashita treasure sign is one among the most commonly asked questions. So here it is, which has the meaning, treasure under deposit. Notice that it has nothing to do with jewelries or diamonds. Proceed digging. Another one is this Yamashita treasure sign that is almost similar to the symbol 7. Again, its meaning has nothing to do with jewelries or diamond deposits. It is simply a sign that tells about direction, which is proceed digging. Door. And we have here a Yamashita treasure sign that means door. Just like the previous 2 examples, its meaning has nothing to do with jewelries or diamonds. Now let's try to explain. Shown on your screen are all Yamashita treasure signs that are previously featured that indicate jewelries or diamond deposits. If you are going to look closely, you will notice that the 7 like symbol are paired to other symbols that denote more about the item deposits. The positive or plus symbol is a sign that has an interpretation about wealth, or more specifically, a valuable deposit. So as those Buddha and coin symbols, they also have something to do about what items are hidden. On the other hand, shown on your screen are some of the Yamashita treasure signs that have nothing to do with jewelries or diamond deposits. If you are going to look closely and analyze, you will notice that the 7 like symbol are paired on symbols that tells about directions and not about the item deposits. The KD on the 7KD treasure sign is an instruction, which means that the item is buried under. It does not tell anything about what items are hidden or buried under that spot. As for the 7C, the C symbol is what represents the door. So if you are going to interpret it correctly, it means proceed towards the door. Anyway, if you have any questions with regards to this topic, then feel free to ask them on the comment form below. Moreover, have you enjoyed watching this video? If your answer is yes, and you are new to my channel, then you may want to subscribe and hit the like button. You are also free to share to your friends or to someone who may find it helpful. If you prefer a reading material about treasure hunting, then I recommend visiting my blogging website at treasurehunt.club. Thank you very much for watching, and happy treasure hunting.